big campground I'd almost forgotten about, surprisingly free and surprisingly great. It's as graceful as a duck in a puddle. Apart from a dad and his son, everyone else camps on the other side of the road, far from the lake and beach, and the reason seems to be cars and vans parked within spitting distance. Time for a second swim. It's summertime and fireworks time. It's at 5:40 a.m. and people wake up to find out the rules for the sea. The silence and stillness is suddenly disturbed by first one or two and then scores of boats. We guess they're harvesting clams, but there seems to be far too many for a lake of this size. It tells us that, surprisingly, they fish 6 days a week and 12 months a year. The daily haul is limited by regulation to 35 kilograms. The sign says the road's closed, but we think it should be staying at dessert. And so we continue on one of our all-time great bike rides.